Hello everyone, I am record this video because I want to show you my problem with PS3 joysticks. So, in any console, I have no problem to play. As you can see, I am using these three PS3 generic joystick. This is one of them, and this is two different types. My problem is Nintendo 64. When I execute one game, the joystick just turn off. In the past console I use, the past actualization that was 4.0.2, what I do is say where is the console, the joystick number 1, joystick number 2, here, restart the reboot, reload the console and make the 1 as 1, the 2 as 2, but now that doesn't happen. So I want to play, in this case, Mario Kart, and just look, this 2 was turned off. Luckily, this joystick is turned on again. It wasn't turned off, but this 2 was turned off. And my problem is, how can I fix it? If you can give me one good I don't know, tip, recommendation, or how, I don't know, but this is my question. I make this video to make more fun and can explain me better. My English is not very good. Thank you for watching this.